Sewer line repair versus replacement. Which option is right for you? When faced with a sewer line problem, Olympia, Washington homeowners are forced to choose between repairing or replacing their pipes. Several factors must be considered to reach the best solution. Understand sewer line problems. Before attempting any repairs or treatments, it is critical to identify and isolate the problem. Assess the severity of the issue. The severity of the damage can indicate whether you need a repair or replacement. Age and condition of sewer line. Newer sewer pipes can usually be repaired. If the sewage line is older, a complete replacement may be required. Choosing between sewer line repair and replacement can be a difficult process that involves careful consideration. You can rely on Olympic Plumbing for skilled advice and practical solutions that are tailored to your needs. Call us today at 360-515-3231 or visit olympicplumbing.com to get started.